In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an Ecwid store in just around 5 minutes, making it easy for you to start selling your products online. Ecwid is a versatile and user-friendly e-commerce platform perfect for entrepreneurs who want to establish an online presence quickly. Let's dive right in. First, you'll need to create an Ecwid account. Head over to Ecwid's website, which is www.ecwid.com. Once you're on the homepage, you'll notice a Get Started for Free button. Click on it. You can sign up using your email or connect through Facebook or Google for a smoother experience. Once you've signed up, you'll be directed straight to your dashboard where the magic begins. Now, with your dashboard at the forefront, it's time to set up your store. In the Ecwid dashboard, find the settings section and navigate to General. Here you'll enter key details like your store name, business address, the currency you'll be dealing in, and the primary language. This initial setup might seem basic, but it's crucial for customizing your store to reflect your brand's identity and operational needs. Moving on to adding products, which is arguably the most exciting part. Head over to the catalog section and click on products. Here you'll see an option to add new product. This is where you get to shine. Input the product name, a compelling description, and the price. Remember to upload high quality images of your product. They should be vibrant and showcase every angle of the item. With your product details set, don't forget to configure your shipping options and manage inventory levels. All these settings ensure that your customers get accurate shipping fees and know the availability of what you're selling. Once satisfied, hit save to lock it all in. Next, let's set up how you'll get paid. Find the payment section in your dashboard. Ecwid supports a variety of payment providers such as PayPal, Stripe, and Square. If you prefer manual payments, options like cash on delivery or bank transfer are available. Connect your payment account and customize the checkout settings to make transactions seamless and secure for your customers. It's essential to also configure your shipping methods appropriately. Go to shipping and pickup where you can decide between flat rate, free shipping, or real-time carrier rates from services like DHL, UPS, or FedEx. This commitment to detail ensures your shipping strategy aligns with your business model. Finally, you need to handle taxes. Navigate to Settings and then to Taxes. Here you can either enable automatic tax calculations or manually input tax rates depending on the regions you sell to. Once your store is ready, it's time to go live. You have several options for showcasing your store. You could embed Ecwid on an existing website using platforms like WordPress, Wix, or Weebly, or opt to sell directly on social media marketplaces like Facebook, Instagram, or even big platforms like Amazon or eBay. No website, no problem. Ecwid also allows you to create a standalone online store called Instant Site. And there you have it. Your Ecwid store is all set up and ready for orders. With just a few simple steps, you've turned your e-commerce dream into a reality. Happy selling!